In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add processing fee on Square. By the end, you'll know how to set up a service charge or surcharge in your Square dashboard, and how to add it at checkout so it appears clearly on receipts and invoices. Start in your Square dashboard. Open Settings, then go to Account and Settings, choose Payments, and look for service charges. In some regions, you may also see card surcharges. Either option leads you to the same outcome, adding an extra fee that's itemized on the sale. If you don't see the surcharge option, the General Service Charges tool is the go-to. Create a new charge. Give it a clear, customer-friendly name like processing fee, card fee, or service charge. Next, decide whether the fee should be a fixed amount or a percentage. A fixed amount works well if you want a simple flat fee, while a percentage scales automatically with the sale total. If you're choosing a percentage to offset card costs, pick a rate that reflects your typical processing expenses, and consider rounding to a clean number to keep totals tidy. Select which location or locations the fee applies to, especially if you operate in multiple places. Then, review the tax setting for this fee. You can mark it as taxable or non-taxable, depending on your local rules and how your accountant advises you to treat service charges in your area. When everything looks right, save the service charge. At checkout, using the Square POS app or supported online ordering, you or your cashier will manually add the service charge to the sale before taking payment. Once applied, the fee appears as its own line item, and it's included in the final total the customer pays. This keeps the fee transparent and ensures it's clearly separated from the items or services you're selling. Customers will see it on their receipt or invoice, and it will be part of your transaction reporting. A few tips to keep things smooth. Use a clear name so staff can find the fee quickly and customers understand what it is. Do a quick test transaction to verify the fee amount and tax behavior look right on the receipt. Train your team to add the fee consistently before payment is processed, and to explain it briefly if customers ask. Finally, make sure your use of service charges or surcharges aligns with local laws and card network rules, which can vary by region and card type. That's it. You've set up a service charge and added it at checkout, making it easy to pass through a processing fee in a clear, professional way.